Imagine you've just signed up for a new Tide account. You're excited to start using this innovative financial platform. But then, you realize you've made a mistake. The name you entered doesn't match your preferred name. Now, you're wondering, can I change the name on my Tide account? Well, that's a great question, and the answer might surprise you. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why changing your name on a financial account might be important. For many people, it's about identity, privacy, or simply correcting a mistake. Think about it. Your name is a fundamental part of who you are. Having it accurately reflected on your financial accounts can be essential for various reasons. Identity: your name is a key identifier. If it's incorrect, it can lead to confusion and potential issues. Privacy: in today's digital age, privacy is a major concern. Having your correct name ensures that your financial information is associated with the right person. Convenience: incorrect names can make it difficult to manage your finances efficiently. Answering the question. Now, let's get to the point. Can you change the name on your Tide account? The short answer is yes. Tide provides a user-friendly process to update your name. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Verification: to ensure the security of your account, Tide will likely require you to verify your identity. This might involve providing additional documents or completing a verification process. Timeframe: the exact process and time it takes to change your name may vary. It's always a good idea to check Tide's official guidelines or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information. Step-by-step guide. To help you through the process, here's a general step-by-step guide on how to change your name on your Tide account. Log into your Tide account. Navigate to your profile settings. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Look for the option to update your name. It might be labeled as Edit Profile or something similar. Enter your new name. Make sure to double-check the spelling and capitalization. Provide any required verification. This might involve uploading documents or completing a verification process. Submit your changes. Additional tips. Contact customer support if you have any questions. Tide's customer support team is there to assist you. Be patient. The process might take some time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see the changes immediately. Keep your account secure. Always protect your personal information and avoid sharing sensitive details with anyone you don't know. Changing your name on your Tide account is generally a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined above and providing the necessary verification, you should be able to update your name successfully. Remember, your name is an important part of your identity. Taking the time to ensure it's accurate on your financial accounts can provide you with peace of mind and make managing your finances more efficient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.